Once again, welcome in research classes. So, my today's topic is congruence of triangle. Today, I am going to discuss with you about the criteria of the congruence of triangle. Before explaining the what you mean by the congruence of triangle, I am talking about the what you mean by the triangle. If you want to know in detail about the triangle, I already upload the video regarding triangle, so go through that video and see that video so you know what you mean by the triangle, what is a property of triangle. In short, triangle means any shape which have three sides and three vertex, that is known as a triangle. So let's go through our today's topic is congruence of triangle. First of all, I am going to explain you what you mean by the congruence of triangle. So if you are going to prove that the triangle is congruent, so it is not important that all the six parts of the triangle are of one triangle are equal to all the six parts of the another triangle. Few criteria are given here. So if the triangle follow any one of that criteria, so that type of triangle is known as a congruence triangle. So in short, if any two sides here here two triangles is given, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So you are able to see that here one side AB is equal to PQ, AC is equal to your PR, and BC is equal to your RQ. So at least this follow the criteria of SAS criteria. So according to the SAS criteria, the triangle are congruous. Okay, let's talk about the criteria. How many criteria are there? So there are mainly 5 criteria. How many criteria are there? There are mainly 5 criteria are there. First is your SSS criteria. What do you mean by the SSS criteria? First of all, understand what you mean by the S and what you mean by the A. S means your side, A for your angle. A for your angle. Okay. So any two triangles whose all the three sides of one triangle is equal to all the three sides of another triangle, so the triangles are congruent, and by the which criteria? By SSS criteria. Second is your SAS criteria. S for side, A for angle. As you are able to see, S for if two sides and one angle is given, so given two triangles are congruent by SAS criteria. Next is your ASA criteria. According to this, if two angles are given, if two angles, suppose that you are taking two triangles, if two angles of one triangle is equal to another two angle of another triangle and one side of the both the triangle are equal to each other, so according to ASA criteria, the triangles are congruent. Our next criteria for the congruence of triangle is ASA. As you are seeing that here, ASA. So it is clear that A for angle, two angle, one side. If two angle and one side of a two triangle are equal to each other, so on that case we are able to see that the triangles are congruent to each other by AAS criteria. Our last criteria is your RHS criteria. According R for right angle hypotenuse. Right angle, that's mean 90 degree. Triangle which make a 90 degree. Okay. So in RHS criteria, it is compulsory that the any one angle will be 90 degree. Is that clear? So as you are able to see here, SSS congruence criteria. What is this? So S for side, as you are able to see that here A is equal to PQ, AB is equal to RQ, and your BC is equal to PR. So S, S, S. So 3S is here. 3 sides are here. So the triangle ABC congruence to the triangle PQR by SSS criteria. Second is your AAS congruency condition. So first of all, how to solve? You have to write in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay. So what is given? Angle A is equal to angle P. Angle B is equal to angle Q. And yes, two angle is already given. This is your given. This is also your given. And here side segment of BC is congruence to segment of BC is equal to RQ. This is also given. Clear na? So the triangle ABC is congruence to PQR. Next criteria is your SAS criteria, as it is shown by the name SAS. That means 1 and 1, 1 and 2. Two sides are equal and one angles are equal of two triangles. Then the triangle is congruous. How to prove? You have to write like that. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, what are given? Segment of BC is congruence to segment of RQ and segment of AB is congruence to segment of PQ, and next is angle B is equal to angle Q. So the triangle ABC is congruence to triangle PQR. By which criteria? By SAS criteria. So I hope you understand. Our next question is, prove the triangle are congruous, but by which property, which criteria you have to write. So today, now I am going to explain you what is a RHS criteria. As it is shown by the name, it is clear by the name. R for right. That means a triangle contain 90 degree. That means any one of the angle will be your 90 degree. So how to prove the triangle is congruent? So first of all, you have to write the name of triangle. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR. What is given? Segment of AB is congruence to segment of PQ. That is your given. दिया है. Segment of AC is congruence to segment of PR. That is also given. Okay, as it is shown in by the diagram that the one angle is 90 degree. If you want, then write here angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree. Otherwise, directly write triangle ABC is congruence to triangle PQR, and the criteria is your RHS. So, hope you understand whatever I explained today. Today I explained what you mean by the congruence of triangle. Today I explain how many types of criteria you are able to prove that the triangles are congruent. So mainly there are 5 type of the criteria. So which already I explained. Now I am going to give you one worksheet. Here you have to prove that the triangles are congruent, and here you also have to prove that by which criteria. Let's solve question number 1. This diagram is given and you have to show that the whatever diagram is there is congruent or not. So this is your question number 1. I solve here. Question number 1 is your okay. Now this diagram is given in the above worksheet. So you have to prove that the given triangle are congruent. So how to prove that? Now first of all, you have to write the name of triangle. In triangle A, B, C and triangle E, D, C. So given that the segment of BC is congruent to segment of DC, that is your given. Next is your angle B is equal to angle D. This is your 90 degree. Okay, and now only one angle and one side is given. Now you have to think, you want three either side, either angle. So according to the property of opposite angle, this angle is equal to this angle by the property of opposite angle. So angle ACB is congruent to angle ECD, the property of opposite angle. So by this property, the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EDC. Okay, here the 90 degree is given. That means this is a congruent triangle by the property of RHS criteria. So let's start with next question. Our next question is your diagram number 2. I am going to explain you this diagram. Okay, now in this diagram the two triangles are given, PQR, and the triangle is your STR. Okay, now here you are able to see that segment of RQ is congruent to segment of RT. Second is that means your side is given. Second is your segment of SR is equal to segment of PR. One more side is given. Third is your angle R is equal to angle R. That means PRQ is equal to angle TRS. That is your 90 degree. You got here 90 degree. So which property here, by which property the given triangle are congruent? RHS. Okay. Next question is question number 3. So first of all, how many triangles are there? You have to recognize, you have to find out the name of triangle. First and second, triangle number ADE and triangle number AFE. What is given? Segment of AD is equal to segment of AF. Okay. Now next is your AE is common. How to write? Segment of AD is congruent to segment of AF. Given. Okay. Next is your segment of AE is congruent to segment of AE. That is your common. Next is your angle AED is equal to angle AEF is equal to 90 degree. So by which criteria the given triangles are congruent? Yes, it is congruent by the criteria of RHS rule. So triangle ADE congruent to triangle AEF by RHS rule. Our next question is your question number 4. As you are able to see that question number 4 is your two triangles are given. Triangle AEFG and triangle HIG. So here it is clear that three sides are given. That EF is equal to HI. Segment of EG is equal to segment of HG. Segment of FG is equal to segment of IG. So the triangle are congruent and the property is your SSS criteria. Okay, now question number 5 is, this is a question number 5. Now what you have to do in triangle, which triangle is given? EFG and triangle LGK. What is given? Segment of EG is congruent to segment of LG. Segment of FG is congruent to segment of KG. Now angle is given. Angle EGF is congruent to angle LGK. So the triangle EFG congruent to triangle LGK by which criteria? Here what is given? 2 side and 1 angle. So SAS criteria will follow here. Okay. Our next question number 6 is the two triangle number 1 and triangle number 2 is given. First line you have to write in the triangle ABC and the triangle DBE. Okay. Now what is given? Angle B, angle A, B, C. Okay. Angle ABC, this angle is equal to this angle, and angle ACB, this angle is equal to this angle. Is that clear? That's mean ABC is congruent to DCB and ACB is congruent to DBC, and one common side BC, that is a congruence in both the triangle, common in both the triangle. So this will be congruence by which property? By SSS property. Similarly, in question number 7, triangle number 1 and triangle number 2 is given. So what is the name of the triangle? PQS and PRS. What is given? P segment of PQ congruent to segment of PR. Segment of QS is congruent to segment of RS, and PS is common in both the triangle. So the triangle are congruent by which property? Here 1, 2, 3 sides are given, so it is a congruence by SSS property. Question number 8, as you are able to see that here the 90 degree is given. Okay, so directly write it is a congruence by RHS property. So hope you understand whatever I explained you today about the congruency of triangle. If you have any doubts, so just comment me in my comment box. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.